Hi traders, good morning. It's Kristen. If you're new to my channel, a little introduction about myself. I'm a full-time trader. I do portfolio management. I have a website that do real-time swing alert via SMS, and I provide weekly setup and updated day-to-day if there's a viable tradable setup. And I do have the tradersfish.com. That is a website fully packed of market data, and that is totally free, so please check that out. So what you're seeing here in my screen is one of my 5 of my screen that can only fit in here. What you're seeing, I have about 5 screens, and I run 60 watch lists and about 20 charts. But what you're looking right here is that the one I'm trading or day trading actively, what you're seeing right here. So this is my focal point when I do day trade. Again, swing trade and day trade are very, very different. You cannot compare those, because if you're day trading, what matters to you is just this time frame. When you do swing trade, what matters to you is the entire setup for the last 6 months, like this one. Short and general explanation on those two. So this topic for today is about short-term trade or day trading, and a follow-up about what we had on Tesla from last week. I think my last video on Tesla was 2 weeks ago or last week, but I just want to highlight to you what happened on Tesla after that. So if you're new to trading, for every brokerage, I'm pretty sure that there comes a free charting tools there. Trading, you just have to look at the technical analysis there. You can even use that, but what I do is I use the indicators. You click on that, and there's so many of it that you can use. So pick one that you're comfortable with, but the one that I'm using is, you can see right here, is the very simple thing, simple moving average and the RSI. And then for the settings, for my chart settings, you go to the here chart type. I choose the candlestick field, and then the colors up and down, so easy to use. So that's pretty much it. And the simple moving average, I pick the 20-day, the 50-day, and the 200-day moving average, which is this lines right here, the green, blue, and purple. And the RSI is here. If you're new to trading, RSI is Relative Strength Index. So basically, like if it touches 70 or like this 67, the stock is a little overbought. And if it tags 30, it's oversold. But then again, I wouldn't factor this much, because stock market is very irrational. The stock price change barely and rarely follow the RSI, but I do it for my short-term trade. So if you're going to be factoring your technical settings analysis, you need to decide which one will you lean heavily on, like the pivots, simple moving average, or this, whatever that is. But for me, I focus more on the pivots. So I count on that on about 60% on my decision making, and then the simple day moving average. So let's get back on Tesla. The last time that I focused Tesla, I said that it's going to go breakout, 200-day moving average. Although prior to that, you see this long candle, this is the one when they reported the September delivery and production. And then it kept higher and higher and higher. Again, I want to highlight that the stock price, everything takes process, so you need to be patient. So this is daily on 3 months. So prior to this, what I like about Tesla was that though we sold off from 265 and we grinded here and multiple resistance at 240, it has stabilized on right here on about 200 and pivots, and then slowly grinding. As you can see here, what I like about it is this candle, and then followed by this one and this one. So I counted it 3. Although as you can see, after this good price action right here, it has been followed by here sideways move of red, and then this one, you can always say that this is a bear trap. This is a fake sell-off before it took off, as you can see right here. And then the exact pivot breakout is this, the 240 break, which is coincide with the 20-day moving average. This is a total breakout. And now Tesla at 200-day moving average, which is in textbook a typical breakout, successful breakout right here. You know, if you're new to trading, the simplest way to put it is that above 20-day, above 50-day, and above 200-day moving. If you're new to trading, a simple way to explain or say it is that if a stock is trading above 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and more so 200-day moving average, the setup is pretty bullish. And as we can see right here, Tesla in the last 2 weeks, it keeps continue higher high and higher low grind. And what's special about it is that it's easily thrust into the 20-day moving average. It didn't stop right there, and then Monday it just captured the 200-day moving average and slowly going there, which is up 1.4% right now.